clock with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So see how good this is. This shadow type of thing is also there, and if I take the mouse over it, it will glow, and this shadow will also glow a bit. So this is the thing which we are going to create, and let's get started. So I have an empty folder. Okay, I have this empty folder of digital clock, and let's create a index.html file, and also create a style.css file. And this is a very small project. We are going to have the JavaScript in this only. Okay, so let me make it a little big, so that it's good in the mobile view also. So I will do that. uh, my shortcut, yeah, it is done. It is way too big actually for me. Okay, so like this I've done, and then digital clock I will do, save it, link css style.css. By default it comes as style.css, so nowadays I keep it as style.css only. Okay, so now let me save it, and now I will have, okay, now we'll have a div here, dot date time, date time, we'll have class dot date time dot date we are going to have, and then inside this date, so we'll have inside this date we'll have see here we have this, all these things are also there. So this, all these things means Wednesday September 15, and after that this is there. So we are going to have all these things. So with the class of date we are going to have a span of span into, okay, span hash id of id. We are taking id because the ids are very easy to take it on the JavaScript, so that's why we are taking id. So one is day name, and let me do one thing into 4 I will do, and then do this. Okay, oh, this is coming not good. Okay, anyways, it is, I will change it. Day is there, and month is there. IDs we have to change. Wait a sec, I'll do it. 00 is there, and year will be there. Okay, so it is not showing nicely. Will it be fixed like the control shift p format select? It's not fixed. I should have is this in different lines, so I should have created it alone only. It is coming like that. Day name, month, day num, year, like this. And then after that, similar to this, I will have a time also. So this is for date, so date, and date like this, date Wednesday September 18 2021, day month, day num, day month, day num is this, and then the year is this. So similarly we'll have for time also. Okay, so let me do a thing, let me copy it and let me paste it, and here I'm going to have for time, this is hour, minutes, seconds, and period. Okay, so for minutes, seconds, and period, and this will be 000000, and this one will be am. So let me save it, and now Open with live server. Okay, something might be running, so it's okay, not an issue. So it will come like this. So that is good that it has told that something is running, so it is not giving us the thing. Okay, so day, month and year, it is coming like this. So nothing is actually coming. So all these things now we have to do it. We have to give the style first. So let's give the style first. Okay, so we'll go back and style.css and star margin is 0, padding is 0 as usual, these two things. Save it. Then body is height is 100 vertical height, and display is flex, and justify content is center, and align items is center, and background is hash 10101e. Save it. See, the background is very dark, so nothing will be shown. The background is very dark. Okay, so now the next thing I am going to do is the this date time is the main thing which is there. So we are going to do for that date time. Okay, so date time and color is hash fff, and background is hash same thing, 10 this e. Okay, so let me save it. See, it is coming good now. Okay, so now font family is serif, but we'll have a good font family also, which is by default it is there. It is SCGOEUI, comma sans serif or sans serif, whatever it is. Okay, then after that width is 340px and padding is 15px 10px. Okay, and border is 5px solid hash 2e94e3. so like this is the border. Now it is showing quite good, and then border radius is 5px, and okay, now the main thing is that we have to, after this border radius, there is the linear some a property is there which is box reflect. Okay, so that one we have to use. So that is web kit. It is a web kit box reflect below 1px. After that, so this is the trick, after that the linear gradient will come, and the linear gradient will be transparent, and here I'll give RGBA 255 comma 255 comma 255 comma 0.1, and then after that let me save it, and see what is coming. This shadow kind of thing is coming here. Okay, so because of that only this shadow kind of thing is coming. This shadow kind of thing is coming, and that is the trick here. WebKit box reflect transition is 0.5 second, because we are going to have a transition just when you take the mouse, the transition is there. Transition property is background is and box shadow. Save it. Okay, anything now, nothing will come. And now the date time, however we will create date time, however we will create, and that is the background will change. Background 2E94 E3, it will become this nice blue color, and the box shadow is 0 0 30px and hash 2e, this thing it is there, and save it. And now if I come here and click on it, and it is glowing also. This glowing thing is also coming from this box shadow, this brighter box shadow, it is coming from there. Okay, now more important things are done actually. See, if I do this, most important things are done, but now just we have to beautify this all these things and add the functionality with JavaScript to show the clock. Okay, so now the first thing which we are going to do is this date thing. So let us do that. So I will come here, dot date, and font size is 20px, font weight is not normal but 600, and text align is center, and letter spacing is 3px, like this. See, it is coming good. Then we are going to do for the time, dot time, and font size is 60px, display is flex, and justify content is center, and align items is center. Save it, and see, now it is coming quite good. Okay, so time, now we will create the property for, see, this time span, and so we'll make property for everything except the last one, which last one is a bit different. So we'll do that, and we'll do dot time. We'll use a pseudo here. Span, we could have directly used it also, but not, it's not pseudo, we are going to use not last child, not last child. So everything else, not last child means this 3. Okay, this 3. Okay, then position is relative as usual, margin is 0 6px, font weight is 600, text align is center, and letter spacing is 3px. Save it, not this one. So see, it is coming quite nice. Okay, this am we have to now change it. So I am going to copy it, and now it is not, this is the span last child. Okay, time span last child, and now background is hash 2e94e3. Font size is 30 px, and font weight is 600, and text transform is uppercase, and margin top is 10 px, and padding is 0.5 px, and border radius is 3 px. Save it. Now see, it is also showing perfectly am and whatever is there. So now our this thing is done. Now we are going to do the TypeScript. Not TypeScript, I'm doing TypeScript in Angular, so that types we are going to do the script only here. So if I come here after this div, we are going to do the script here only. See, pt script tag here only, and type equal to text JavaScript we are going to do. We are going to have a on load of the body. We are going to create run a function. So what we have to do, we have to do here in the body, I have to come and do on load equal to init clock, like this. Init clock I will do, and then I'll come back here and function init clock, like this I will do, and then I will do a okay. Init clock will call update clock. It is showing me update clock, and the update clock will run on window dot set interval of. So first time the update clock will run, and then after that the update clock will run every 1 second, every 1 second. So every 1 second it will run. Okay, so we have to do like this, update clock, like this, and comma 1. So every 1 millisecond it will run. Actually it is not 1 second, every 1 millisecond it will run. So like this update clock is run. Then after that we have to create this update clock. So let me go up and do a function update clock, like this. Why it is coming like this? Okay, let me take it here. Okay, function update clock, and this is var now. So we can take the current time, which will come by new date. var d name, date name equal to now dot get day, like this. var mo equal to now dot get month. So now we are using that now. Date name is this. Month is now dot get month. So after that new date, we can use this function. These all functions are there. Okay, var denum equal to now dot get date, var var yr equal to now dot get full year, var hour equal to now dot get hours, var min equal to now dot get minutes, var sec equal to now dot get seconds. So like this, and var pe equal to am will have. Okay, so all these vars we are going to have. And now after that, so if hour is triple equal to double equal to is also okay, double equal to 0, then hour equal to 12. So we don't want to show that like 24-hour system. If hour is greater than 12, then hour equal to hour minus 12 and pe equal to pm, not am, p equal to pm it will make. Okay, so now after that we have to get the digits. So we have to remove some of the things from the digit, like means 0 comes before that, so all those things you have to digit. Okay, remove it. So if I anyways goes back, it will not show anything. Anyways, we have to do a document dot get element by id and all those things we have to do. Okay, so now number dot prototype dot pad. So this pad we are going to use equal to function digits and for n equal to this dot to string. So this is a trick actually, this dot to string, and n dot length is less than digits, and n equal to 0 plus, and I got it from Stack Overflow. Okay, and return n. Okay, so return n. So this we have done, so save it. Okay, so after that we have to give a var for month, week, and some IDs we have to give. So var month and week, let me copy it. Var after this number, this is ending here. Okay, var month and var week we have to take like this, and we have to take a id also. Id means the IDs which are there in our file. See, day, name, month, year. So these IDs we have to take in a, and period. So this all we have to take. So let me take that. Okay, so this we have taken, and then the var values we have to do. So these IDs we have taken. Now the values we have we have to take, and this is like week is dname. So this week we will have week and this dname which we have created, week dname values, and then month is ammo we which we have, and what is months, it is months is ammo. Okay, then comma dnum dot pad 2 we are doing. So we are calling this function dnum dot pad 2, comma yr dot pad 2, comma hour dot pad 2, comma min dot pad 2, comma min dot pad 2, is it min? Yeah, it is min. Then sec dot pad 2, and comma pe will pass directly. Okay, then after that we will for var I equal to 0, I is less than IDs dot length I plus plus I'll do, and now document dot get element by id is I, and first child dot node value equal to values I. Okay, so this we will do and save it, and now as I thought some issue will be there. Okay, I'm not even saved it, so issue will be there anyways, and yet issue is there. So how to fix it? Second, I have to come in I'm coming in a second. Sorry for that. Someone was at home. Okay. Okay, some noise was there. Okay. Okay. Sorry for that. Someone has a door. So daily live streaming, someone comes like it is always there. So is the live streaming still going on or it was stopped? Let me check. I think it is still going on. It is okay. Okay. So again the same issue is coming as yesterday it was coming. I might have done some issue again. These things always happen. I don't know how to solve these things. Okay, let me check it. This function only is causing some issue. Okay, if I do it like this and I'm not giving that course there, save it, save it. Now if I come back, yeah, now it is okay. 9:49:33. So it was causing a problem. Okay, actually the thing is that this is like this for loop is ending here only, and this return n is there after that. This for loop we are just doing it for this var n equal to this, and that's happened when you take from stack overflow. Okay, so like this return is ending here, and now it is coming like this, and but I think we have this also is there. So how to get this? Rest is okay. Rest is actually pretty fine. If you see this, rest is pretty fine. Okay, we want only that dots colon from where they are coming from. Where can we take those colon? Now that is in thing from where we can take those colon. Okay, 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 okay. Initially, only we have uh, screwed up something. I think. Again, some issue is there. I don't know what is the issue. Those colons are not. This is a small thing, but I don't know why it is not. Yesterday also I faced a lot of issues in the stream. Means Angular thing, just a small thing which was missing, and today also it is like that small thing that was missing. So again, I think I don't like it to do it, to take it from my old code and paste it, but I don't want to waste more time. And why this VS code is coming? No idea. Why is not even connected to GitHub? Okay, initialize the repository. Oh, notice it comes like this. Okay, so that was something weird. Okay, so just checking, and I generally check like this. Okay, so like this. From div to script is there, and we save it. Let me see one thing whether this is fixed. Yeah, this is fixed. This is fixed. And now let me see where was the error actually. So day num is like this, comma. This comma is there. Oh no, not the comma is there. Then this quotes is there, comma. Okay, that is okay. That doesn't matter. I can. Those things are not there. Such a small mistake, and for that I have to do that. So this just this codes were there, nothing else. So everything else can be same. And anyways, this was required like this because as I've told, I did a mistake there. Okay, so everything else is same. I just missed this two, and I was not able to figure it out. I don't know why. Such a simple thing. Sometimes these things happen in live streams, and I'm loving it that I'm making a lot of issues so that people can know I'm human. Okay, so most of the cases, if in normal recording I would have got this issue, I would just pause the video and change it and check it out. But this is how it happens in live stream, and I'm loving it. Yesterday I struggled for half an hour for an angular issue. Okay, so it is like this. So with this, our small project which took a bit of time, also because I had to go out because someone was calling me. And so it is over. And hope you like the stream. And this is also day 10 of my 100 days of code and 100 days of videos challenge. And I will keep posting videos daily, mostly at 9:15 p.m. IST. But some days I can post at some different time also, because sometime I like on a Thursday I have a weekly coaching call for my paid customers of my courses. Every Thursday I have that weekly coaching call at 9 p.m. So on Thursday I might take it in the afternoon. That class I can take it on afternoon. Thursday is tomorrow only. So that is like that. So with this I will end the string and the stream stream. And do please subscribe to my channel. And also please if you want to learn web development or React development, I have courses, I have boot camps. So do please check it out. The link for that will be in the description. Do check it out. And if you want to learn web development, and if you want to get a web development job interns, today only one of my very old friend was calling, and she was telling she wants developer. She is a very big HR, and I have so much requirement for React JS, just React JS jobs, that just people need to do React JS and they will get a job. Okay, so thank you for watching this stream. I will see you again tomorrow.